because her feet are
Don't scare me.
So ready?
She's so hurt. You got to stop.
Just not a pop back grip. Hold on. See how she has her feet really tight? Okay.
We're not doing the dip thing.
No, I'm just gonna say 1, 2,
Are you looking up?
Are you okay? Are you smoking something?
Are you doing a flat? That's not flat.
Exactly.
No, just switch.
Ellie, come over here.
Okay.
Yeah, you making my feet fly over.
That's nasty. That is nasty. Projectile.
Alright, ready? Alright, so Steve.
Got there, Yana.
I'll
just go like this. I'll spot for you.
Ready?
So wait, you said one. Yeah. I'm gonna say.
So I'm gonna say 1, 2, zip, throw. Okay?
Wait,
So ready? She's only going a half turn. It's really easy.
Wait, hold on, I gotta laugh.
So I don't need to catch her?
Put it down now because my arms are gonna be weak.
You do have to catch it.
But you said half.
Half means? No, a full would be like 2 times.
Blood on my hands, you're getting slapped.
Ready?
I got you.
What if I do? What if I do?
I'm gonna catch her from way down here. I'm so
Stay nice and
talented.
tight.
If she falls.
Ready? 1, 2, dip and toss.
See, good thing my kneecap was there.
Guys, back up.
No, I'm catching her and she falls.
Tingles.
Ting-a-ling-a-ling.
Ready?
Wait, did I do it right? Or was that?
Let me
Did
try.
I not catch her?
Try and really pop up, okay?
Did you not catch
So
it?
switch grip. Ready? So you have her really tight. You're holding her feet together. You're squeezing them together. All right, ready, girls? Ready? 1, 2, dip and throw. Okay.
Look at that magic.